receiving this award is a very, very big deal for me because, as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz in late April. This means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award already. So, I would just like to sincerely thank the Alila Awards Foundation and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not. Congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
Love you too.